Adding a cold case radiator to your Fox Body Mustang is a great way to cool your ride and add durability. We offer many choices when it comes to Fox Body cooling. Restoring a car? No problem. We offer direct fit radiators that work with all the factory mounting and fan shrouds. Need more performance from your cooling system? Try one of our dual 1.25" tube radiators. Engine swapping? We have Coyote Swap and LS Swap specific radiators. All are constructed with polished original style stamped tanks, feature high efficiency cores, furnace brazed fins, and fully TIG welded for strength and good looks. You can pair any of these radiators with one of our aluminum fan shroud and dual 12-inch fan kit modules. To finish your radiator package, pick up one of our cold case billet cap covers and a set of our silicone hose kits, available in 3 colors, black, red, or blue. For more information, check out our website, coldcaseradiators.com, or you can give us a call at 844-REAL-COLD and get your ride cold case cool today.